Can I use shampoo or laundry detergent if I do not have liquid soap for plumbing tasks like washing hands, cleaning fixtures, or flushing drains? Shampoo generally works well because it is formulated to cut grease, suspend soils, and rinse clean, which are the key functions we need for most plumbing-related cleaning. Use a small amount, about a quarter teaspoon per sink or hand wash, because shampoos are concentrated and foaming agents can build up in pipes if overused. Choose a clear, unscented, or mildly scented shampoo when possible, since heavy oils or moisturizers in some hair products can leave residue on fixtures and attract grime. Laundry liquid can be used in a pinch for cleaning surfaces or degreasing, but treat it with more caution because many laundry formulations contain stronger surfactants and enzymes that can be harsh on finishes, rubber seals, and certain plastics. Dilute 1 tablespoon of liquid laundry detergent in 1 quart of water before use. Avoid powdered laundry detergent entirely for plumbing tasks because it may not dissolve fully, can abrade finishes, and the undissolved particles can collect in traps and narrow passages. When rinsing, use plenty of clean water to remove surfactant residue, and if you notice foaming in a drain, flush with copious warm water until bubbles stop to prevent buildup. 3 common concerns people have are damaging fixture finishes, harming rubber seals in traps and valves, and creating persistent foam in drains. Using concentrated shampoo or undiluted laundry liquid can cause spotting or dulling on chrome and painted surfaces, so always test a small hidden area first and rinse thoroughly after cleaning. Laundry detergent can swell or degrade rubber gaskets over repeated use, so avoid repeated applications and swap to plain water or mild soap as soon as possible to preserve seals. If foaming occurs in drains, reduce the amount used, follow with repeated warm water flushes, and if foam persists, use a cup of white vinegar followed by warm water to neutralize residues and help clear slippery film. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners and contractors around practical home maintenance topics like this one, and we host a discussion community where people share real-world tips and local experiences. We help contractors find work by giving them a place to showcase services and answer homeowner questions, and we help homeowners find local pros and peer advice for tackling jobs safely.